Hi, let me show you how to use our Enter Custom Data step. I'm Alex Barlow, co-founder of Axiom. Let's dive in. So, this step does pretty much what the name suggests. It's for adding data into your axioms. Now, when will you want to do that? Well, perhaps you're trying to build a bot or an axiom to automate data entry, and you just want some test data to use as you develop. Well, the custom data step lets you do that. Now, let me show you how to use it quickly. It's a single input box. Input box is pretty simple to use. I'm going to type in a name, and so I can add a single variable into the custom data. Or if I want an array of data, I can press return, separating the data by lines. And I'm going to add a series of names, not particularly original ones. And now I've got that data available to use as a token inside my axiom. So I'm going to scroll down, go to this enter text step. In that field, I can now insert that custom data and loop through it. Thank you for using Axiom. Bye bye.